Hi, in this video I will talk about the five elements and why it is important to keep them in balance. Before we keep them in balance, it is important to reclaim these elements. And how do we do that? So, we all have a quest of physical and mental health. We want to be healthiest, so for that we take measures, try and follow the healthiest diet uh, and healthiest routine in terms of exercises and meditation, but still we feel that there is something lacking, and there is accumulation of stress, and sometimes we occasionally fall in the trap of diseases. So why is it happening? What is that we are doing wrong, or what is that we are not doing that is leading to this stress and inability to achieve our goals productively? The fundamental issue today, which we are nobody is generally paying attention, is the balance of these five elements. Every life on this planet is constituted of earth, water, air, fire, and ether. So these five elements is present in each and every cell of our body. So is it practical to understand the proportion or the composition of these five elements in our body? No, and that's not where we are going also. Uh, so let's understand what are the laws that govern these five elements. Let's take one example. How do we get the earth element? We get it from the food that we eat and the water that we drink. So that is the gross aspect of earth. Then there is a subtle aspect of earth, which we get from the feet under our ground. All right. So this is the very, and then there are more subtle aspect, which I'll talk about later when we talk about earthing therapy. So let's just stick to the food that we eat and the earth under our ground. So these are the two elements from where we get earth. So let's say from tomorrow the sun stops shining. Okay, what will happen? The first step of photosynthesis will get stopped. When this process is stopped, the plants will stop making biophoton, from where we get our nutrition, and as a result we will not get the earth element. So even if you are non-vegetarian, you will also not get earth element, because the animal will not get the earth element from the plant. Now, this is the relevance of the earth element. And imagine the plant is growing from from earth, but the relevance of sun is making it happen. If the sun stops shining, we will not get earth element. So like that, each and every component is related. They interact with each other to constitute life. So why are we talking about this? What is that we need to understand? How do we balance it? Firstly, the awareness that all our cells are constituents of these five elements. And in animal kingdom, how do animals understand these five elements? So because nature has given us an instinct. So animals eat when they are hungry, they drink when they are thirsty, and they do not and sometimes they eat earth, right, when they feel deficient in the nutrition from earth. So we need to learn our basics first. How, the modern world in which we are living, we have a very regimented way of living. There's breakfast time, lunch, uh, evening snack, dinner, and all of that. And similarly, that's how we are approaching to our own self. Um, Now, when we have disturbed this rhythm with, and the law of the universe, how is it even possible to reclaim it? So first we'll do in this course, understand how we'll get gross and the subtle aspect of each element, and once we get claim this aspect, how are we going to align with our body type? So that is step 2. And remember, with each body type is different, but it is not practically possible to address it. What we need to do right now is to enhance our instincts and understand what is that we need. And once these, and it is with researches, it has been proved. Earlier, it was, part of Indian ancient texts like Vedas, and it is, I'm sure, must be in other ancient civilizations as well. But slowly, we have seen researches in this area wherein it has been proven scientifically that these 5 elements can be claimed naturally, and once these elements are aligned, the diseases also disappear. Diseases disappear, the stress level goes down, uh, and you will see, you will start to reverse age. Okay, more about the elements in next videos. Thank you.